So this is actually really cool, guys. So when you take the float out, right? So the float was right here. I'm trying to see if I can recreate this a little, right? So the pin drops down in, right down in here, right? And then it'll have a little press. This little nipple gets pressed in when the float reaches its stopping point inside the carburetor, right? So it'll be like this. It'll fill up, and then it'll go dink, and it'll shut it off. So let me show you something here. This was, in fact, jammed up. I don't know if you can see that close. Yeah, I wiped some of it off, but there's a bunch of gunk that was built up on these four little side. I guess you can kind of see them now. Yeah, there you go. There's just a bunch of gunk. You can actually see it like wipes off. So like that one, I just wiped it off on the left side. So that gets gunked up, and that's what's causing the fuel to keep flowing even though I'm not even pressing the throttle. So the fuel just starts pouring out with the engine running because it's using the crankcase pressure to run the fuel pump, which is right here. So it doesn't happen when it's off, but when it's running. So it uses this. It comes right from the crankcase. Or I'm sorry, this actually comes from the pressure coming out of the intake, or the intake tube right here. So yeah, so it doesn't happen when it's off, but when it's on, that pressure happens, and so it starts pumping it out. So yeah, we'll clean this up. Let me spray this side out. Got this one cleaned out on the inside pretty good. Yeah, gotta do a little bit more work on this. Maybe just replace it. I got some new ones. But yeah, that should take care of this problem, and we'll put her back together and test her out.